Good morning, everybody. I know investing in crypto as a beginner can be a bit challenging, all right? That's why I'm here to give you some few tips that will help you throughout your crypto investment journey as a beginner. So stay tuned. So here is a beginner-friendly guide to kickstart your crypto investment journey. Number one, understand the basics. Understand what blockchain is, understand what a crypto wallet is, understand what a crypto coin is, and know the difference between coins and tokens. Okay, just understand these few things before you start. Number two, look for a reputable exchange. Look for an exchange that is well established, highly secured, like offers two-factor authentication. All right, that's to protect your investment, and is highly regulated by the government. Okay, here are three platforms I recommend for beginners. We have Coinbase, we have blockchain, and we have Binance. Okay, these are the three platforms I use, and they are highly recommendable, tested and trusted. I've used them for years, and I can tell you they are very reliable. Very reliable. Number three, start investing in the major cryptocurrencies. All right, these are the highly established cryptocurrencies. They will not give you a very high profit, but they are guaranteed to give you a return in the long run. All right, rather than investing in the new tokens that are speculative, not established, and can be very volatile, start investing in the established crypto projects. So start with Bitcoin and Ethereum. These are the two most established cryptocurrencies. All right. So if you're a beginner, start investing in these two before you now try to expand your portfolios to the highly profitable but highly risky ones. Start with these two. Number four, invest only what you can afford to lose. Okay. I know we are all investing with the hope to make some profit in return. So if you're a beginner, do not invest what you cannot afford to lose. Do not invest money meant for bills, rent, or other emergencies into crypto, because the prices fluctuate very randomly. Alright, you can go from 0 to 100 within seconds. So do not invest money you hope to use in the short term. Invest only money you're expecting to be there for as long as possible. Okay? Number five, practice what we call cost averaging. All right, instead of investing large amounts at once, invest small amounts regularly. This helps you to beat what we call price swings. Okay, so instead of investing £1,000 at once or $1,000 at once, invest $100 weekly or monthly. Okay, this helps you to catch up with price swings, and you end up being profitable in the long run. Number six, secure your investment. Okay, this involves enabling two-factor authentication so someone cannot hack your wallet, and also use very strong and unique passwords. And for larger investment, you might want to consider moving your crypto to a personal wallet rather than leaving it on the exchange. Okay, make sure you always secure your investment. Strong password, two-factor authentication. Number seven, diversify your investment carefully. All right, rather than investing huge amounts in one project, spread the risk across other projects. And also, do not diversify foolishly, like investing in dozens of tokens. Like I said, tokens are the dangerous projects that are not yet established. Although they might give you higher returns, the projects might as well collapse. Okay, so instead of investing in dozens of tokens, diversify your investment in already established crypto projects. I already said, for example, Bitcoin, Ethereum. You can now start talking of other already established cryptocurrencies like Ethereum Classic. You can talk of Shiba, which is already an established token as well. You can now start talking of the Dogecoin and the others. I will give you a list of crypto projects you can invest in at the end of this video, so stay tuned. Number 8, beware of scams. Okay, beware of scams. When you start investing in crypto, you start hearing maybe some projects coming up with guaranteed returns. Do not invest in such projects. Someone popping up to ask for your recovery phrase or your passkeys to your wallet. Make sure you don't fall victim to this kind of scams. Okay, never you share private information, never you invest in any project guaranteeing returns. Okay, crypto investments are highly risky and there are no guaranteed returns. So any project popping up with guaranteed returns, you should be very mindful of that kind of project. So to wrap it up, remember, crypto investments are highly volatile, okay, and are very risky investment. You can lose part or all of your investment. All right, past performance do not guarantee future performance. All right, so consider investing in the traditional long-term investment platforms before you allocate a portion of your fortune or your portfolio to crypto, because it's actually risky. Though rewarding, is actually risky. Okay, you might want to start investing first in investment funds like we have the S&P 500. Those are traditional investment methods that gradually increase over time. Track record of that before you now diversify into crypto. Okay, and remember, do not invest what you cannot afford to lose. Thank you.